So earlier this week we talked about why eye contact is important in the bedroom. And now we're going to discuss how to start the habit, because it can definitely be awkward at first.
Sure. So if you have little ones in the room, might want to steer them out for just a moment. Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy is here to talk all about it. Welcome.
Yes,
thanks for being here.
Thank you.
You can't just really jump into it, right? So you can just start slowly and work up.
Well, and for a lot of people, it's just about stealing little glances. And that can be something that is a lot less intimidating than maybe the 3 to 6 seconds we were talking about last week. But yeah, just starting off with just that slow, I'm going to start making eye contact, and let's see how my partner, it kind of responds and receives it.
So then what's next after that?
So after that, you want to then focus. Let's just start during foreplay. It doesn't have to happen during the actual act. It can be during foreplay where you're touching, you're kissing, maybe you're even like whispering sweet nothings to each other, or dirty talk, and make sure that you start maybe making more contact during that time, especially if you're doing like massage. It's a lot easier to make eye contact during those activities than maybe intercourse itself.
And number 3 on your list?
Yeah, so this is where you start to try different positions. And positions that will be more likely to allow for that more free eye contact. Sitting positions where you're face-to-face, missionary position is always a good one. And of course, you can always do kind of over the shoulder to each other, and even if you prefer side laying positions, or even just rear entry. That would be the sort of thing where you want to make that eye contact, and you'll know very quickly if your partner is liking it or maybe not so much. So try those and see what happens.
So if you feel they're not liking it, is that when you just glance away and give them a break already? Don't intimidate them.
Give them a little break. Some people, and because we told the kids to go away, this is why. Some people's O face may be something that's a little bit too vulnerable to share straight on with someone. So yeah, you're gonna kind of be able to know, but if not, make sure you're talking about it, communicating, even saying, hey, did you notice we made a little bit more eye contact today? What did you think of that? Or, I really liked it. How did you feel about it? Or, you know what? That was a bit much. It felt like we were kind of going into a more tantric sort of situation, and we need to be in a different headspace for that. So, yeah, there's always a lot of communication that can happen during and after, and of course over lunch at that weekly meeting that I'm always talking about. Y'all should have.
Maybe at home and not in a restaurant, just saying.
Hey,
everyone's leaning in. What?
When you're hearing that Sally, that was like,
that Chili's talking about the bedroom. I don't know if that's the place.
And if you're around Monday, 12:30 online, check out my Pillow Talk Masterclass. It's free, it's live, it's online. I'm going to be there. PillowTalkMasterclass.com. Check it out and sign up for free.
Hey, that's easy to do.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Sounds good. Communication is key.
Yep.
All right. Good to see you, Dr. B.
Thanks, guys.
All right, coming up. Pregnant at 54, and after